Good morning. It is a beautiful day and I would like to introduce to you our Goanna flashlight. It comes in this beautiful gift box with a magnetic clip. I absolutely love, so easy to open it and they just snap back closed without any effort at all. Inside we find our Goanna 900 lumens flashlight along with a rechargeable 2200 milliamp hour battery and a battery recharger. Now we've actually put our logo on the side of the charger just because I have a drawer full of chargers and I can never work out which charger goes with which batteries. So we've stuck our logo on there to make it a little bit easier. Of course, if you live in the US, you get a US charger, but if you're here in Australia like me, you're going to want an Australian charger, and that'll all depend where you order it from, don't worry about that. Now, to recharge your batteries, the US charger, you just need to slide this back and pop it in. That will keep it safe and secure for all your charging needs. With the Australian charger, it just has a small spring there. It just fits in straight like that. Positive to positive, negative to negative. It is marked on there. The Goanna flashlight also has a secondary power source. If your rechargeable battery has run flat and you don't have time to charge it, you can use disposable batteries as well. It comes with this small insertable clip which you can put your AAA batteries into, and that will just slot inside like that and work just as well for you if you don't have time to recharge your other one. Okay, the Goanna flashlight comes with 3 power settings. Firstly, a bright setting which will illuminate the entire forest for you. Next we have a 50% power setting if you want to make your batteries last twice as long. Also a 20% power setting if you really need to extend your battery life. The Goanna flashlight also comes with a strobe feature and with an SOS feature. This just isn't a flashing light, this will actually spell out the SOS signal for you. So if you place this somewhere where it's visible, it will just keep pumping out the SOS signal without you even needing to hold it. It also comes with a zoom feature, which you achieve just by extending and retracting the end here. Now I wanted to show you one of our flashlights today straight out of the box and what you expect to get when you receive it. But I also have another one here today which is a bit of a veteran. This Goanna flashlight was actually the one used when we took the photo of the car running over it. This has performed all our safety tests to prove that it's crush proof, waterproof and damn well nearly indestructible. If we open it up, this I also wanted to show you. This is the battery spacer. The rechargeable battery is slightly thinner than the disposable battery, so you need to place it inside this spacer to stop it wobbling around in there. That will make sure the connections are lined up correctly and it will work for you every time. I wanted to show you this flashlight a little bit more closely. So as you should be able to see here, even though a car was driven over it, the only wear and tear marks are those tiny little scratches on the ridges. But not only that, if we come over to our pre-prepared bucket of water, we can drop that down inside there and you can see still works beautifully. Not a single bubble coming up from that. Now I'm not suggesting you use this underwater, it's not designed for that. I'm just demonstrating how well your Goanna flashlight will work in the heaviest of rain and adverse conditions. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our new Goanna flashlight. I hope you have a fabulous day.